Chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry, part 4. So in this part we are going to see some more harsh problems, okay, higher order thinking mistake problems. Okay, you see this problem very important. Already we have seen one problem in the previous part. This is a second problem. Read the problem. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point capital P on the ground is 60 degree. So angle of elevation of a jet plane from your point P on the ground is 60 degree. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height means what? Same what height it is flying, that means straight it is doing. A height of 1500 root 3 meter. Find the speed of the jet plane. You have to find out the speed of the jet plane. Speed equal to what is the formula? What is the formula of speed? Distance by time. Okay, here one point is there. That is the point is name given. That is P. P is a point on the ground. Here one flight is there. Height of the flight. Go here. Height of the flight. AB. Height of the flight is how much given? 1500 root 3. It is given meter. 1500 root 3 meter is given, right? So the angle of elevation of the aeroplane. How much? 60 degree first. From P, right? 50 degree, 60 degree first. Again, this after 15-second flight. The flight is what? Constant height. It is flying constant height. After 15 seconds means what? It is go very straight only. Okay, 15 seconds. Okay, flying 15 seconds. It reaches here means C point. This one you take D, right? CD. Same height. This same height. So now here at the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. This full angle is what? 60. This angle is 30 degree. Understand? This is the diagram. Now we have to find out. See, this time is given. Okay. From here to here, the time is given. So you have to find out this distance. Okay, you have to take x. Distance x you have to find out. So this one you take y. Okay. So the whole distance x plus y. That is better. Okay. Whole distance x plus y. You have to eliminate y. So first to find out the y. Using this 60 degree, find out the y. Now, if you know the distance, and if you have the time, means you can find out the speed of the jet plane. That's all. Clear? This distance you should know means easily you can find out the speed of the airplane. Already time is given. Time you have to always what speed is kilometer in per hour. So you have to change this time in the kilometer at last. Change the time in the kilometer hour. Understand? Here take the distance. Here meter given. You have to change in the kilometer. Okay. Now let AB and CD be the height of the airplane of 1503 meters both will be in different positions at A and C after 15 seconds. Now angle of elevation given. Angle it is given correctly. What angle? Angle APB 60 degree. And angle CPD 30 degree. Angle CPD 30 degree. It is given angle of elevation. Let you take a BP. Let BD is x. BDB x and PBB y you take. Right, for our convenience you can take. Okay, Without taking also you can do, but for our convenience you can take this, it will be easy. That is eye catching, right? Now in right triangle APB, right triangle APB, find out the opposite side by adjacent side. Oppo by H, tan 60. Oppo is 1500 root 3 by H is y, you know, root 3. This is root 3. This is root 3. Tan 60 is root 3 by 1. Remember. Now cross multiply means y equal to 1500. Thus root 3 y equal to 1500 root 3. Root 3 get cancelled, or here itself can get cancelled, means y equal to 1500. Understand? Now you take in right triangle CPD. In right triangle CPD. In right triangle CPD. Same oppo by adj. Oppo by adj. That is tan 30 here. This triangle, the angle is tan 30. Opposite side is x plus y. Oh, sorry. Opposite side is 1500 root 3. Adj is x plus y. Adj is x plus y. That is equal to 1 by root 3. That is 1 by root 3. That is 1 by 3. Now what you have to do? Cross multiply. Cross multiply means x plus y equal to 1000 root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 1500. Therefore, x is, we need x only. X is equal to 1003 means 4500 minus y. So 4500 minus 1500 is what? 3000. 3000, right? X we got it. That is distance. That is we required. Okay. This is distance. So distance from A to C. Flight of the distance of the flight from A to C is x. That is right. Flight of distance from A to C. This is 3000 meter. 3000 meter. Flight of distance from A to C is 3000 meter. Now what you have to do is distance of will get. Now what you have to do is find out the speed. Find out speed. So speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time. What is the speed here? 15 second. 15 second. 15 second by, this is a meter. This is meter. 3000 meter. Yeah. Distance is 3000. By time is 15. Okay. So this one is meter per second. Meter per second. Okay. Now you simplify it here. We will go for 200 meter per second. 200 meter per second. Now we have to change into what? Kilometer per second. That means here you have to multiply by second. Change hour means here denominator there second. So you have to multiply 3600 by meter. Kilometer means 1000. Okay, 20 character. Understand? Now this will go 2 table 5 times. 2 table 5 times. Okay. Now here is it. 3600 by 5. That is equal to 7 times will go. Then 2 times 720 km per hour. 720 km per hour. Therefore, speed of aeroplane is speed of aeroplane is 720 kilometer per hour. 720 kilometer per hour. Understand? So like this, you have to do this horse problem. Okay, how to thorough the concept. What is given? You have to thorough means you will easily you can do. So clear. So you have to idea you have to use, that is speed equal to time, distance by time. If you use then the change unit you have to change. Okay, always speed means you have to change into kilometer per hour. Okay. Now we will see the third problem. You read the problem. The angle of elevation of a jet fighter from a point P on the ground is 60 degree. After 20 seconds of flight, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the jet flying at a speed of 720 km per hour, find the height which jet is flying. You have to find the height of the jet. Clear? Height of the jet you have to find out. Previous problem, height is given. Okay. They asked what? To find speed, but here height is asked. Clear? Speed is given. Just reversely you have to know. Understand? But the concept is same. Here what you have to do is, first you have to find out using this time and speed. Speed and time you have to find out the distance. Okay. Distance of flight between 20 seconds. Clear? You have to find out. Then using that easily you can find out the height. Okay. First draw the diagram, that is very important, right? Height is you have to find out. H you take. AB be the height of the jet of height. H or here meter per kilometer per hour given. So you take what kilometer. Okay, kilometer you take. Next, what you have to do is angle of elevation of the jet fighter is how much? Initial position, that is angle of elevation of a jet fighter from a point P on the ground is 60 degree. This will be 60 degree. So this point is what? P. From here 60 degree the angle of elevation. After 20 seconds, after 20 seconds of flight, height will be constant. Height will be constant. Okay, h kilometer at a speed of 720 km per hour. 720 km per hour. This one you take it as D. Understand? So using this speed and time, using speed and time, you have to find out the distance from A to C. From A to C. Okay. So that time the angle of elevation is given. Angle of elevation is given how much? 30 degree. Angle of elevation is given 30 degree. So now you take this one is x and this one is y. So then you have to this distance is x plus y. So we have to find out this y you have to find out this distance. Here this distance y you have to find out. X eliminate. Okay. Y is nothing but b to d. Okay, that is using distance for, that is distance formula, that is distance equal to speed into time. Distance equal to speed into time. Distance equal to speed into time. Then easily you can find out. Okay. So first you check this here kilometer per hour is given. Okay. Either you have to change into meter per second or this 20 second you change into hour. That is better. 20 second easily you can change into hours. Okay. That is easy. That's why I have taken height is in kilometer. Okay. Now very simple. Let AB be the height of the jet fighter. Let AB and CD be the height of jet fighter of H meter in different positions, and A and C. Here A and C. Now the angle is given. The angle of APB. Okay, first what given? APB 60 degree. And angle CPD. Angle CPD 30 degree. It is given. It is given. Understand? Let BP be X and BDB Y you take. Okay, Y you take. Now speed of the flight. Speed of flight. Speed of jet you get. Speed of jet equal to 720 km/h. And time is given 20 seconds. That means change into hours means divided by 3600 hours. You have to divide. Clear? Small to big unit means you have to divide. That means here you can cut. Here also 2 table you cut means 180. 1 by 180 hours. Okay. Now find out distance. Distance equal to distance, that is y. Understand? Distance from A to C. You can write distance from A to C is y. That is equal to speed into time. Distance means what is the formula? Speed into time. You have to remember this formula, right? Speed into time. So what is the speed here? Speed is 720 into what is the time? 180 into 180. Now easily cut it. Easily cut it. Now 18. First 6 table 3 time will go. Okay. 6 table 3 time. Here 6 table 1 2 time 12. So 4 times. Or straight away you cut 18 table what 4 times it will go. Okay. So 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer. Understand? 4 kilometer you write. Okay. So the distance from here to here is 4 kilometer. Now what you have to do? You have to find out what height of the flight. You have to find out. Okay. So that first you take this right triangle. Find out x. Now you know y. Clear? Then this right triangle you find out x plus y. You put both x and y means you will get height. Right? Now we take in right triangle. In right triangle. ABP. ABP. Opposite side. Opposite side by oppo by edge is equal to tan 60. Tan 60. Right. So what is opposite side here? What is opposite side? H. What is the adjacent side? X. That is equal to tan 60. You know what is tan 60? Root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Understand? Therefore, cross multiply means height you will get. Or root 3x is equal to h. Root 3x is equal to h. Now x is equal to h by root 3. Better. X you got it. Understand? Now, next what you have to do is take this triangle, this right triangle, that is CDB. In right triangle CDP, right triangle CDP, in right triangle CDP, same opposite adds, that's equal to tan 30. What is oppo here? H. What is adds? X plus y, that's equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Now cross multiply, that is x plus y is equal to root 3h. This will be. Now you replace it. What is x here? H by root 3. H by root 3 plus. What is y? Got 4. Y is 4. Is equal to root 3h. Okay. Now what you have to do is you bring this one this side, this or this one you bring that side. Clear? That is 4 equal to root 3h plus or minus h by root 3. Right. So 4 equal to root 3 you take common, means here 3h minus root 3 into root 3, 3. 3h minus h, that is 2h. Therefore 4 equal to 2h by root 3. Okay. Therefore you cross multiply again, that is 2h is equal to 4 root 3. So 2 table cut means h is equal to 2 root. H is equal to 2 root 3 kilometer. That means 2000 root 3 meter. Okay, R. H is equal to R. You can write H is equal to 2000 root 3 meter. Therefore, height of the aeroplane is, height of the jet fighter. Height of jet fighter is 2000 root 3 meter or 2 root 3 kilometer. Okay, if you write in kilometer, 2 root 3. So into 1000 means what, that is meter. Okay, just 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So easily we can write, that's all. So very important problem. Okay, so 2 types you have that. Okay, the aeroplane problem, 2 types you have. Okay, that previous problem. Okay, height is given, finding height is given, finding speed. In this problem, speed is given, finding height. Okay, that is the difference. So you should not confuse. Okay, you have to do practice properly. Okay. Now this tan given, tan means what, opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side, first you take here 240 meter it is given. Okay, towards tower. This one you don't know, so x you take. Okay, so that from here to here how much? 240 plus x. 240 plus x it is. Right. Now you write letter AB be the height of lighthouse. AB be the height of lighthouse of H meter. Okay. And P is on the ground. Clear? Now, the angle of elevation that is given, that is angle APB given. Angle APB taken theta. And angle AQB is given phi. This one given angle of elevation. Given angle of elevation. Okay. Also PQ given 240 meter. It is also given PQ. Given, right? Now first you take in this right triangle. In this right triangle, ABQ. In right triangle, ABQ. Okay, ABQ. Here already it is given tan theta equal to what? 5 by 2. So here opposite side by edge is tan theta. In this triangle, tan phi you have. Tan phi. In this triangle, what is the angle? That angle you have to write. Okay, tan phi. So here h by x is equal to what is given? Tan phi is given what? 5 by 12. Oh sorry, tan phi is given 3 by 4. Tan phi is given 3 by 4. Tan phi is given 3 by 4. Okay, right? Given tan phi equal to 3 by 4 given. Tan phi equal to 3 by 4 it is given. Now you do cross multiplication. Okay, find out x. 3x is equal to 4h. Therefore x is equal to 4h by 3. Okay, x you find out. Now you take another right triangle. Right triangle ABP. In right triangle what? ABP you take. This time same opposite edge is tan theta. So what is oppo here? H. What is edge? Edge is what? This whole distance you have to take. That is 240 plus x. 240 plus x. That's equal to tan theta value. It is given. 5 by 12 is given. Tan theta value 5 by 12 is given. Right. It is given, right. Given tan theta equal to 5 by 12. That means, okay. Here you write simply given you write enough. That understood, okay. That means you see the given tan phi equal to 3 pi by 4, right? Now you do cross multiplication here. Okay, 2h equal to 5 into 240 plus x. 240 plus x. Now you put in x value here. Put in x value. After multiplying, there is how much here? 5 multiply means 120,200 plus x value is 4h by 3. This one you bring this side. 12h minus 4h by 3 equal to 1,200. Cross multiply. Cross multiply means what? Here 36h minus 4h is equal to 1,200. Now this will be how much? 32h equal to 1,200 into 3. Okay, divide it. H is equal to 1,200 by 32 into 3. Here you see you can simplify easily in 4 table. This will go. You can divide 4 tables. It will go 2 times. It will be. This will be 4 times is 7 times and 20 means 5 times 75. 75 into 3, 15. Carry 1, 22, 225 by 2. That is nothing meter. That is h is 112.5 meter. That is the height of the lighthouse. Therefore, the height of the lighthouse is right. Therefore, height of lighthouse is 112.5 meter. Okay. So easy. So same type of problem I will give homework some problems. Do the homework problem for better practice. Okay.